Hi, this is Keith All and welcome back. We're going to continue on with our tutorial about how to create a one-page website using a Builderall platform. We're still working on the menu and the header. So what we're going to do with this menu is we're going to change this border size. We're editing the menu element and we're going to scroll down to the item property and change the border to 0 so we don't have that. We're also going to come down here and we're going to change these colors to transparent. Okay, so we're going to do that, and we're not going to have, even though this menu has set up to be submenus, we're going to eliminate those for right now. So let's go ahead and let's move down to the next property. Let's collapse this. Item, sub-item, we're not going to have any shadows, and we're not going to have any advanced properties at this point. Okay. So let's go back up here, and we're going to configure the menu item names and get rid of these sub-items that are there. In order to do this, we're going to click on this gear icon and we're going to configure it. So we're going to put everything in all caps, and let's go back to the already published site. So we're going to have home, about, services. Let's go back over here and we come over here and click on edit. We're not going to have a submenu item. We're not going to use the icon. Okay, click on save. Let's go back over here. No submenu item, no icon. Click on save. What's the next one? Services and then trainers. We're going to eliminate these submenu items, so all we have to do is go to the right and click on the trash can or delete button. Get rid of that. Click on save. We're going to put this as trainers. We're going to get rid of the submenu items. Click on the trash can. Click on save. Let's see what's after trainers. We got gallery and contact. So let's go over here. No submenu item. And we're going to add a new item out of, down here. We're going to call this gallery. And we're going to move this one, gallery, up one. So we click on these up and down arrow buttons to move the order of these menu items. So now we got that. So click on save. And now it's looking much like this site right here. So let's go back over here. Okay, let's click on save. Remember to always save your content. Let's close out of here. Let's go back to the editor of the already published site. Let's see, we're going to center this. Let's see what the size is. Let's see, maximum width, general colors. Okay, let's go back over here. We're going to click on center. We're going to move this over here. We're going to change the size now of this panel so it's the same height and width of this area here. So let's go back over to the already published site, the editor. Let's click on the panel so we get the panel edit element up here. Let's see what the size is. The size is height 89, minimum is 50. So let's go back over here. Scroll up. Let's see, 89. And it's 50. Let's bring this up here. Let's click on this. I'm using the up and down arrow key. Okay. And now let's go over, let's see, the menu item. Let's see, there's another. This must be the property of this. Let's double check. Yes. Okay, what we need to do is, if you notice on the already published site, there is, we have a fixed header. Basically, when you click on this item, that means this header or this panel is going to stay fixed. So it's always viewable no matter where the user is on the website. So let's make that what we call a sticky header. In order to do that, we go to the panel itself, not the menu element, but the panel. Click on the edit icon. Let's go over to the properties to the right and scroll down until you see fixed. Let's move this over here. And we're going to make this a sticky header active only on the desktop. So let's go over here. Click on save. And now let's add this logo image. So basically, this is an image element, and all we're going to do is add it to our site. Oops. Let's come over here, add elements. Let's click on return, and we're going to look for the image element right here. We're going to select the horizontal image. All I did was click on it. We're going to place it over here. Let's edit the image element. We're going to go to the general settings properties, change the image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subfolder for all my images, and I'm just going to create a new directory. In this case, I'm going to call it the gym template. So I'm going to select that directory. I'm going to come up here to the upper right, select File, and I'm going to navigate to the directory to where I have all these images. And here's the logo image. I'll click on Open. And there's that image element. So let's go over here. Size, let's create this 239 and 500. Size 239, 500. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, now all I have to do is center it. Let's go back over here. We'll do that. So there we have it. We have the now the header in its place. So our next video is we're going to create the next panel underneath that. So look forward to the next video. Remember to like, share, and comment on these videos, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for your support, and hopefully I provided some value to you on your journey to creating a one-page website using the Builderall platform. Bye now.